Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today, I'm with Rana, Anna, and Nino. It's like Saint Nino. You're Christian, right?
Yes.
You're Christian.
Yes.
So they are actually working here at the hotel that we're residing. They are so hospitable. They are very helpful. They give us extra heater. So welcome to Good Diary! So alam po guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Good Diary. And ito ay isa sa mga pinupuntahan talaga ng mga turista dahil basically ito na lang yung natitirang may snow. The snow is not coming yet until today. But most of the time, when is the snow comes?
We think it will come in 2 days.
Oh no!
When we left.
I hope it will be in New Year Day.
How's your guest? Like most of the nationality are coming here.
From Saudi Arabia.
Oh.
Yes, from Philippines,
Oh.
From
from
Russia.
Russia also,
Oh.
So,
and many
Really?
kinds of.
And of course, they want to know exactly what are the things that we can do here at the northern area of Georgia. So, what are the most recommended places that you want to recommend to the tourists?
First of all, you can go in Azbegi.
Okay,
Yes.
we went there today.
panorama.
Panorama, yes.
You mean
In the north.
Georgia?
No, in the north. Because we're here in the northern area. This is north, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, there is so beautiful place near the border of the Russia. It's Daryali.
Ah, yeah.
It's Daryali.
I saw it on the map. It's like the Kazbigi is almost near the border,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And there are a lot of snow there.
Yes. More than there.
I know it, but
not so much.
we're not able to go there. But I saw on the map we are near on the Kazbigi,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
How do you pronounce that? Kazbigi or Kazbigi?
Azbegi.
Kazbigi. Kazbigi. So it's confusing. Actually,
you
your,
want, we
your
can-
words are confusing. Like the place, or there are extra letters
Yes.
to
yes,
pronounce.
Alphabet.
Alphabet. Like for example,
And
Tbilisi.
yeah.
Like you have to pronounce Tbilisi, right?
Yes.
If you want,
There
I
are
can
extra.
teach you some Georgian.
Okay,
words.
okay, I love that. Like I want to say, you're beautiful.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充
Shen Harlamazi.
Oh my god. I can do it. Again?
Shen
Shen
Har
Khan
Har
Khad
Har
Kal
Lamazi.
Lamasi.
Yes.
Shen Kal Lamasi. Alam na. Shen Kal Lamasi. So guys, here we are at the groceries. I met a vlogger sa Dubai. Ito po siya.
What's up, homies? It's me, Earl. Hello.
Ayan, dito daw siya sila sa ano. Nakita kami dito pagpuntang Good Diary.
It's our third day.
Third day, okay.
Third day, yeah.
So, ayan guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, Earl.
Okay, I will teach you also Filipino words. When you encounter Filipino guest, you will say mabuhay. It's like a welcome.
Yes. Can you say again?
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yes, that's it. Mabuhay, it's like a greetings if you see Philippine
When
people.
we will have any other guests from Philippines,
Yes.
we will tell them.
Mabuhay. Yes, mabuhay, because that's our like greetings.
I will know this.
Yes, mabuhay, like you know, it's just like hello, but it's mabuhay. Oh my god, your also letter is difficult.
I'm so beautiful, I think.
So we have learned Lamasi. Shinkal Lamasi. Okay, like your greetings.
Oh, it's
What is
difficult,
it?
I think.
Difficult.
Actually, it was Shani Mobizanema.
Okay, forget it. Forget it.
Also, you
It's
can
difficult.
say only Moberzandi. Moberzandi.
Mo
Moberzandi.
Moben Mober
Moberzandi.
Moberzandi.
Yes.
Moberzandi.
Like this.
Like that hello like this one.
Yes.
Moberzandi.
Hello,
Oh my
it's
God.
Kamarjoba. Hello, Kamarjoba.
Kamarjoba.
Yes.
Nakwambis.
In Philippines like hello only two syllables hello. You know Kamarjoba.
Yes.
I have so much I have so much Georgian words. You know guys, I actually love your place. Personally, I love the people, not just you. Like when we check in on the hotel in the Tbilisi, these guys also the reception are they're so accommodating. They're so helpful. They're so like hospitable. It's like you will feel
Comfortable.
comfortable. Yes.
And
Yes,
Georgia
people are so good.
That is why I say different facet of Georgia. Like the people, your food also. I like the rice that I show you. What is that? No,
Ah,
What's-
right. Yes.
I like that one. Maybe I order. I order tonight. How much is that?
We will ask to the cooker. We don't know the price.
Because
We have
I like that
Master
one.
Chef.
Okay, I like your cuisine. Your bread, fantastic. Your wine, fantastic. We buy again. So let's end this vlog and thank you guys for showing in my vlog and I hope to see you again. Hopefully. Yes, because actually my friends are, since I went here, when they saw my Instagram, then they saw my Facebook, they love coming here. So for sure, I also love coming here, especially in the north. I want to experience exactly the snow, so super snow. But what month mostly? Like January, February, like this?
Also in March.
In March? That's for sure.
Yes.
Yes.
December is just starting, right?
Yes,
It's from December to March. It's season.
But the sure snow is like February.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we have a wrong decision. So thank you guys, thank you girls for showing in my vlog, and I hope that I will promote your hotel in my vlog so that more people are coming here. And I guess I also have my friend here. Hello. Thank you guys. And I actually told him that he looks like Arab in the Arab people. Yes. So I guess that's it, and thank you guys.